In today's video I'm going to run you through doing a picture search for a battery on Amazon. It's a battery that I needed for a pair of scales that I had. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. So if you go into Amazon, then up in the top right hand corner you can see a little camera. So tap on there, get the item in focus, whatever you're looking for. So I decided to put it onto a different background to make the focusing a bit better. Now I tapped on the middle button, took a photograph, it returned the results. Then I used Amazon Prime to get the battery in next day. Good result. Hope you found a result from this video. Please like and subscribe.